Hi, I'm here to show you how to change a carbon pre-filter on our PD900 series 5-stage air purification system. We recommend every 3 to 6 months replacing the carbon pre-filter. Very simple application. Remove the only accessible filter without removing any screws, just a little knob, and you access your carbon pre-filter. The date should be written on it, and it'll actually tell you right here on the side 3 to 6 months replacement. Remove the filter, get your new filter, which does come packaged up in a plastic bag. You want to write the date when you replace the filter on it. Airflow direction. By the way, the instructions are in the unit as well too for it, okay? So airflow direction, put it back into place here. You want a little nice snug fit because you don't want too much bypass air going around the filters, okay? Again, write the date on there. When you replaced it, air roll down, replace the cover, put the unit back into operation.